Hello. Got an unboxing review for you of a Mossy Oak product. This is actually a two-pack. It's only $13. It is a two-pack folding pocket utility knife set. It's quick change blade, frame lock, EDC box cutter with belt clip, and the style is stone washed. Is the color on it? So it kind of looks. I don't know. When you get it, you'll see. It kind of looks already beat up. I don't know, used maybe. That's the only way to describe it. But it's $12.99 for two of them, and I think it's a really good deal. I already own these, but and I gave one away, and I have another one. So I figured I would get more of them for this price. You know, why not? Two-piece stainless steel utility knives. I have numerous, utility knives floating around. I love them. I mean, I do. I really do. I use them for all sorts of things, and I love the fact that you can just swap the blade out. You don't have to worry about sharpening it or anything like that. I mean, sure, it's not, some high quality thing, but for basic uses, it's fine for around the house. Like this one here is actually from Outdoor Edge, and this is actually would be an EDC knife. This one here, push the button and it, closed down, has a bottle opener, standard screwdriver, and a Phillips on the back side. But this is a neat little EDC one. But anyway, back to the Mossy Oak here, sorry. Again, these are two of them for $12.99, which I think is well worth it. I mean, $6 a piece, sure. I would have paid, $12, $13 just for one of them. It is nice. And there is one small flaw in it, which I'll point out shortly. But as you can see, they come this way. On this little cardboard here, they're clips. But here it is here. This is what they mean by stone wash. I don't know, this is the pattern. It kind of looks worn. It really does. It looks worn and beat up. But I'll flip it over and we have our pocket. Now, they are fairly heavy for how small they are. Interesting. It's 5¼ inch open, 3 inches closed, 7/8 of an inch, or 22 millimeters wide, 32nd of an inch thick. Oh, that's the blade. It says they're 1.8 ounce per knife, which, isn't too bad, I guess. But anyway, here it is here. It does feel very solidly made. It is a liner lock. You open it up, and you have a utility knife blade. It comes with one for you, and it locks in place. There it goes. Yeah, but the liner lock is here, actually. It's actually part of the back of the knife is the liner lock. And you just push it over to close it again, of course. Now these are brand new, so they're kind of stiff. There it goes, nice and click. Now again, these use a standard utility knife blade, and to change it, okay, it says on here you push up. One is push up, two is pull. There's a little tab right here. You push up and you pull the blade out, and then you just slide one in, and you're done. I mean, it's very simple to use. Again, I love these type of knives because, you just swap the blade out and you don't have to worry about sharpening them or anything like that. For the price, $12.99, I like these a lot. These are great little EDC everyday carry knife, I think. For the price, they're very well made. Obviously, it's very sharp. It's a razor blade. But the thing the one small issue I have is, like this here, there's a nice thumb screw, or thumb stud, you want to call it, and it opens up very easily for me. You know what I mean? This one does have a space here for your thumb to open it up, but it's not, I don't know, it's not natural, I guess. It just isn't big enough, I don't think it's big enough to really, and especially how small the blade is, to kind of contort your hand to open it up like that. I mean, you're not going to be opening it fast, that's for sure. You might eventually, but who knows. Maybe, I don't know, maybe attached, there's some way to attach something on there to make it stick out a little more, but that's supposedly the little thumb spot. But I like these a lot. Mossy Oak, two-pack utility knife. They're $13, prime shipped, on Amazon. Very nice. I'm very happy with these. I love these a lot. Again, I already bought one set. And this is my second set that I've bought. That's how much I like them. I find them very useful. Throw them in a glove box, whatever. I mean, for the price, they're great. I mean, normally, like these other ones, I think this one was $15 for this. But I mean, I got two for 13 here, and these are nice, just as good. But mossy oak knives. Thanks.